Hi everyone. I feel like doing a reverse coloring page. So let's take out the ones we've already done. Set those aside. Find ourselves a page that feels appropriate for today. Oh, you guys can't see that. Let's do it. If I do it this way, you guys will be able to see. And then we can decide what page together. That one's kind of dark and gloomy. That's not today. That's more like today. Ooh, that's kind of pretty too. Should we just do the flowers? That one's just flowers. I like that one. That looks like either a jellyfish or a bowl of steaming noodles. That might be a good one for today. Today we're having a soup supper at my church this evening. I have today off, so I am in charge of making some soup to go. It's a potluck soup supper, so multiple families are bringing soups or salads or soup, salad, sides. I think that's all. Don't know if there was a sign up for desserts. Might just be doing soups, salads, and sides. Come on, all the way out. It doesn't want to come out. There we go. Let's make a bowl of soup. That looks like a hot bowl of soup to me. I'm going to use my brush pen because I really like using the brush pen with, if I can find it, there it is, with the reverse coloring book. I have such a mess. My desk needs to be cleaned. Where do I feel like it needs to be? I think it needs to be right here. Something like that. Make myself a bowl of soup. And then I'm going to just kind of follow these lines. Okay. Something like that. Oh, I forgot to take a before picture. I keep forgetting to take before pictures so that I can post them on my Instagram as befores and afters. Oh well. I'll do that for the next one. But I could see how you could totally turn this way and draw it slightly differently and make it a jellyfish. Yep, that looks good. That is one hot bowl of soup. I think I might actually use my let's see. Let's grab our pens. Oh, I've lost one. It's orange. I'm not going to use orange anyway. I want the muted colors, so let's take these bright ones back out. Why did I grab them all? I don't know. Just wanted the muted ones anyhow. Although maybe this one. I'm going to do those, and we're going to make the shadows and things. I think we are going to shadow this bowl. This way. This pen is almost dead. Yeah, it's pretty dry. But that's okay. That gives me a little bit of depth there. Yeah, that's all right. And it's pretty dry. Okay, that paper's had enough of that pen, and that pen is dry. Throw it away. Something like that, a little bit. And then I think down here I want you guys even see that? Let me zoom out a little bit. There, now you can see what I'm doing. Put a little shadow there, just so got kind of a base to wherever it's sitting. Yeah, that's good. And then maybe a little extra bit of this gray. incorporate the same colors. Something like that. And then I do think I want to mute this bowl of whatever this is. That's a little much, but that's not the right color for that. I don't want to make it green. What can I make it? A little watercolor. Can I make it a little watercolory? I've got all these muted colors here. Let's do that. Where's my water brush? Do I have a water brush that is full of water? Sitting here? Do I? I do not seem to. Nope. Okay, don't have a water brush near me. That's fine. We'll go over here to the painting desk and grab ourselves a little paintbrush and spritz a little water in this kind of muddy orangey yellow color, because I want to counteract the blues and the greens to make it a little more muted inside the bowl. I like the bowl out here the way it is, and I might put a little pattern on it. That would be good. I want to get rid of some of that bright color inside the bowl. My soup is not toxic yellow and green. Just mute it just a little bit. That's good. Okay. Didn't need much, just a little bit. Teeny weeny whiny little bit. I need a paper towel to clean my brush off. That's good. Good enough until I take it in the house and wash it. Okay, next, I think I want to make a pattern on the bowl. But I don't think I want to draw with black. So let's try this dark gray. Yeah. Let's make ourselves... Does that draw? That does not draw. Okay. Let's try this one. Got a stabilo. If that draws. Oh, that draws. Okay. feel like it's like fiesta wear, kind of. I like that. Just as is. I think I'm done. There we go. I have made myself a steaming bowl of soup. Don't like that there. We'll put that there. We'll give you the QR code to my Buy Me a Coffee QR code. All right. You guys have a blessed day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. Remember to go check me over on Instagram and Facebook. It's Draw Tangles with Dawn. Over on Pinterest, it's Draw Tangles with Dawn. You'll find me everywhere at Draw Tangles with Dawn. I will see you guys on the next video, whatever I decide to do. And I won't be out here very long today because I have soup to cook. Anyways, I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.